Have you noticed on social media or even walking down the beach a stomach and you can tell the person had plastic surgery because of the shape of their belly button? Today we will be discussing belly button shaping and aftercare from lipo or tummy tuck. Usually, after procedures like liposuction or tummy tuck, the belly button loses its normal shape. For lipo, it happens a lot that the navel takes the shape of a sad face. With tummy tucks, the navel tends to turn into a vertical straight line. Sometimes it tilts diagonally like slit. This happens because fat is removed from that area and can leave skin above the belly button. The absence of fat around the belly button can cause the skin to sag while all the tissues are rearranged and take their place, helped by lymphatic drainage therapy, which is our specialty. For the ladies who used to wear a belly button piercing prior to lipo, the sagging of the skin above the belly button is more frequent. The body is inflamed and has to heal. Remember that a full recovery for this procedure can take between 6 to 12 months post-op. While the body is healing from a liposuction, gradually the skin will retract itself and the appearance will be improved if the right post-op care therapy is done, of course. However, one way we use to accelerate this process is through radiofrequency. We use this modality usually after 1.5 months post-op. It is not indicated right after surgery because radiofrequency might cause fibrosis if done too soon post-procedure. I'll explain that later in another video. Nowadays, the techniques to perform liposuction around the belly button are getting better and better. So I've noticed a lot of work from doctors which take advantage of the tissue around the belly button to give it a more natural appearance. And the sad belly button issue is not as bad with certain doctors. The same with tummy tucks. Every day, more and more, I've seen doctors suture the belly button into the new position, and they are being more careful about the shape of the navel. Whoever you choose for your surgery should have before and after photos of the procedures. Make sure you take a look into the outcomes of the belly buttons of your plastic surgeon, because a botched belly button can make the tummy tuck not worth it at all. Okay, my loves? In many cases, the belly button won't be altered or replaced. Now doctors tighten up the skin and muscles around it. For mini tucks, everything will be done below the belly button, which is a good option for those who just have a small pouch in the lower belly area. The navel won't be replaced and muscles won't be repaired. Make sure you follow your doctor's post-op instructions. Clean the incision site and wear compression garments for an efficient and quick recovery. You must avoid strenuous physical activities. Talk about hardcore workouts, lifting weights, hardcore sex. Call your doctor immediately if you notice signs of infection in the belly button after a tummy tuck. The signs can be, for example, pus or a foul discharge. If you see pus coming from the belly button, call your doctor right away. The belly seems to be constricted or too open, the belly button. You feel a hard lump behind the navel. The belly button looks disfigured. The scar feels too painful and the incision site is bleeding. Call your doctor right away. Most surgeons recommend cleaning the belly button at least once or twice a day. But how to clean your belly button after the procedure? It is super easy. Q-tips. You're gonna have saline water to clean your belly button. Hydrogen peroxide. You can find this everywhere in the grocery stores, in the pharmacies. Betadine is good too. There are very effective antibiotic powders that heal the belly button fast. The ladies bring the brand Tecasol from Dominican Republic. But there are different brands here in America with the same composition of ingredients. It's pretty much like basic tracing zinc in a powder or like a triple antibiotic in a powder form. If the stitches are non-dissolvable, we remove them after 3 weeks post-op to make sure they're ready for removal. For liposuction, we start belly button training right away, like 2 days post-op. For tummy tuck, after stitches are removed and the belly button incisions look healed. There are several brands for belly button shaping, ranging from $20 to $50. See the marbles here? We have different sizes. Some belly buttons be bigger than others. We have the regular shape. We have smaller ones. Sometimes we also use earplugs to shape up the belly buttons. If the earplugs is too long, you can cut it. There's not need to buy expensive navel shapers. A marble, we place it inside the belly button and put a piece of surgical tape on top of it to hold it, and that's it. Our dolls keep the marble for around 2 months post-op. We don't recommend belly button piercing right after a tummy tuck. Qualified, board certified, and experienced cosmetic surgeons recommend avoiding belly button piercing after a tummy tuck for at least 1 to 2 years. It's better to ensure proper blood flow to the navel and surrounding area for a proper recovery process. Thank you for watching this video. Once a week, we like to educate our community so y'all be well informed about the plastic surgery world, the pre-op, and the aftercare as well. If you have any question, feel free to text our number. And if you happen to like the content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell for the notifications to our upcoming videos. See you next time in another video.